for giving, especially to charities, but have you ever wondered exactly how much of your donation goes to the charity of your choice? Well, William Lajeunesse with Fox News has those details for us.
Well, Lauren and Dagan, it is the holiday season. Consequently, about 31% of all charitable giving happens in December, much of it in the last 5 days. But whether you're prompted by compassion or taxes, experts say only give when you're ready. Don't give when the phone rings. But actually, how much goes to the charity? A lot of people wonder. Typically, it's not as much as you would hope. American households, on average, donate $3,000 a year to charity. Regulators say about half doesn't go to charity, however, but rather to the professional fundraisers and telemarketers they hire.
There's many cases where there's a fundraising contract where 85 to 90% of the money is going to the professional fundraising company.
To test that, we examined California's Registry of Charitable Trusts, a list of most national campaigns. In many cases, charities raised thousands but got little back, and some actually lost money. Example, 2 campaigns in 2014 for the Covenant House raised a combined $66,000, but the charity got billed for a total of $209,000. In a statement, the Covenant House said it used the telemarketer to convert current donors to ongoing monthly donors, but ended the program this year. In 2015, the Environmental Defense Fund ran 7 campaigns. 2 made nothing and 4 lost money, costing it tens of thousands. In a statement, the EDF said the campaigns were designed to attract new supporters, not raise funds. They're not alone. In 2015, 24% of charities in mostly national campaigns took home less than 20 cents on the dollar, and 21% lost money altogether.
At Charity Watch, we think it shouldn't cost them more than $35 to raise $100. That's our standard for reasonableness.
But that's a high bar. Over the last 3 years, almost 80% of U.S. charities failed to keep at least 65% of their donations. But it's legal. As the U.S. Supreme Court ruled, states cannot regulate how much money a charity keeps. The Environmental Defense Fund said the campaigns that we referenced were designed to attract new supporters, not raise funds. The Covenant House said it used a telemarketer on a pilot basis to convert current supporters to monthly donors because it was more efficient, but they have decided to end the program. Bottom line, raising money is expensive. Some charities will sign these contracts that only give them 10 cents on the dollar because they say it's the only way to raise money. Back to you.
Thanks, William Lajeunesse.